The deepest hole humans ever dug and why they stopped. Humans have explored space, mapped the oceans, and walked on the moon. But one of our most extreme journeys went in the opposite direction, straight down. In 1970, scientists in the Soviet Union began drilling into the Earth's crust on the Kola Peninsula. Near the Arctic Circle, their goal was simple but ambitious: drill as deep into the planet as physically possible to understand what lies beneath our feet. What they created is still the deepest artificial hole on Earth. After more than 20 years of drilling, the Kola Superdeep Borehole reached a depth of 12.2 kilometers, nearly 7.6 miles straight down. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Yet despite that mind-blowing achievement, they only made it about 1/3 of the way through the Earth's continental crust. So why did they stop? The biggest problem wasn't technology, it was heat. Scientists expected temperatures at that depth to be around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they encountered temperatures closer to 180 degrees Celsius. The rock became so hot that it behaved more like plastic than solid stone, twisting drill bits and making further progress nearly impossible. The deeper they went, the harder the Earth pushed back. Pressure was another issue. At that depth, the pressure was several thousand times greater than at the surface. Drilling equipment wasn't designed to survive those conditions for long periods. And then there were the surprises. They discovered that deep rock wasn't dry, as previously believed, but saturated with water trapped inside mineral structures. This challenged existing geological theories about how water exists deep underground. They also found microscopic fossils, fossilized plankton, at depths where life was never expected to exist. These organisms were more than 2 billion years old, forcing scientists to rethink how life and geology interact. There's even a strange myth associated with the hole. Workers reported hearing eerie sounds described as screams coming from deep underground. In reality, these were likely seismic vibrations picked up by sensitive equipment. But the story stuck and earned the hole the nickname, the Gateway to Hell. By the early 1990s, funding ran out, equipment was worn down, and the extreme conditions made further drilling impractical. The project was officially abandoned. Today, the borehole is sealed with a welded metal cap. From the surface, it looks unremarkable, just a small metal disc in the ground. But beneath it lies the deepest wound humanity has ever cut into the planet. What's most humbling is this: despite all our technology, satellites, and supercomputers, humans have explored more of outer space than the Earth beneath our own feet. The deepest hole ever dug reminds us that the planet still holds secrets far beyond our reach. Sometimes the greatest unknowns aren't above us, they're right below.